Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make 3D text in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of Pixlr where we can get started with logging into your account. So here in the upper right corner you can get started with logging in or creating a new account if you don't already have one. And after logging in, you can now get started with accessing the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor option right here. And after opening it up, it's going to open up this new menu page where we can get started with opening the image that we want to add the 3D text for. So I already have my image right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And now let's say we want to add the image right here and the text above it. So as you can see at the left side screen, we have the toolbar of all the options and effects that we can use for our image. We have the range option, cropping, cutout, and so on, and all the options right here. And as you can see, one of the options is called text. So guys, we can get started with adding our text right here by clicking text, and now we can get started with either choosing one of the pre-made fonts and effects right here or adding our new default text. So I'm going to add this text right here, and as you can see now this is our text option. So now we can get started with adding the 3D effects. As you can see, if you scroll down right here, you can find all the fonts that you can use, and you can use those that look like 3D. So you can go ahead and scroll down and find any option that you might want to use that's going to work the best for you and for what you're trying to achieve and what effect you want to get. So as you can see, a lot of the options right here that you can use and find the effect that works best for you. And after that, you can go ahead and get started with adding different effects to get your 3D effect. You can add a shadow, an outline, and so on. Everything that you might need, such as the curve option, that's going to enable you to get that desired 3D effect. And after that, if you want to get ahead and add some design options, you will have them right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.